to Hopetoun Gardens, an idyllic place of serenity and calm, and just across the road from my therapist. These perfectly rounded hedges remind me of the beginnings of anxiety. Just like these small contained shapes, anxiety often starts as a tiny seed within us, unnoticed amidst the hustle of daily life. As we walk through the garden, we see nature's beauty in bloom, yet somewhere here a spectre awaits us, a reminder of the complexity and challenges we face. This tree, with its gnarled and twisted limbs, mirrors the journey of anxiety. Each knot and turn is a reflection of the struggles we encounter, the moments when our minds seem to twist in on themselves. This formation is haunting, isn't it? It symbolises the sinister aspect of anxiety, the way it can loom over us like a spectre, even in our most tranquil moments. But let's not forget, this tree stands strong, grounded in the earth. It reminds us of our own resilience. Just as this tree has grown and adapted, so too can we find ways to manage our anxiety and thrive. Nature offers us lessons in resilience and growth. Just as these plants adapt to the changing seasons, we too learn to navigate the seasons of our mind. I've had many experiences with anxiety, starting at the age of 18, and I'm now 65. When I was 18, I discovered I had an autoimmune disease. Also, I had many struggles in my life at that particular time. This all mounted up, and I was overwhelmed. Not enough rest, not sleeping, life out of balance. These things, I believe, contribute to anxiety. But with time, understanding and peace, we can find strength. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video meaningful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue the conversation about anxiety and support one another.